Introduction of National Development Policy. A journal entitled Current Trends in Malaysian Higher Education and the Effect on Education Policy and Practice. An overview written by Selvaraj Grapragasem, Anbalagan Krishnan and Azalan Norhani Mansa in the January 20, 2014 was chosen for this journal review individual task. Background of the policy. Education system in Malaysia has undergone remarkable changes and transformations. Before English colonization, education was done informally, especially to acquire basic living skills. As we know, the national education system was implemented after the Education Act 1966 was passed by Parliament. The government can use education as a tool to foster unity and nation building through same syllabus and curriculum. The government has also advanced strategies and plans to ensure that institutes of higher learning, HEIs, are encouraged to make changes and achieve excellence in the face of competition launched by the global education market. Next, policy impact. Improvement in the employment sector. After establish this policy education, there have been many changes and improvements in the employment sector that we can see today. Most of Malaysians have their own work of paying for the daily living after graduation. The transformation of the higher education system has made Malaysia the center of education excellence and education hub in Southeast Asia. Education is very important for nation building. A stable and flexible education system facilitates citizens in their efforts to generate knowledge and wealth and improve the quality of life of the people. Awareness of the important role of education has strengthened our resolve to ensure that our education system is able to realize national goals for national development. But since 2012, there are 150,000 people graduate from Malaysian universities each year, but most of them fail to have an occupation. This is because too many graduates of Malaysian university and college have been applied the same job, but most of companies or organizations are unable to bear the cost of training and salaries of employees on a monthly basis. After there were many unemployed graduates in Malaysia, the experts department was identified that Malaysian unemployment graduates are not adequately equipped with the skills that employers expect, apart from their weak command English language, lack of confidence, poor problem-solving skills, lack of knowledge and also lack of professional ethics. Actually, many private firms in Malaysia are coming forward to help Malaysian graduates to secure jobs after all before graduates. This is a good initiative that supports the government's desire to produce quality skilled workers who can compete in the global market. This education policy is not be a source of negative impact to social or country, but it is because the graduates' lack of the talent and knowledge, it has made it difficult for them to get a job. Not only that, low CGPA on the semester result also is one of the factors that make it difficult to obtain a job. Quality guarantee for international students. The government recognizes the importance of the Malaysian brand education to attract international students to Malaysia. It is because government can make this country famous and also can enhance Malaysia's reputation in the world. The economy of the country also will increase because the international students now contribute room 5.9 billion per year to the economy of Malaysia. The establishment of Malaysia Qualification Agency, MQA, is crucial to ensuring that higher education institutions provide relevant quality education to students and uphold the government's aspiration to make Malaysia a education hub, especially in the region of Southeast Asia. For the example, there are 27,812 people, 25% of all international students are currently enrolled in postgraduate programs in Malaysia, either undergraduate or PhD. This shows that Malaysia are committed to providing the opportunity to pursue higher education for international students. Have more qualified and proficient academia. Malaysia has more qualified and proficient academia since this education policy was established. These have transformed Malaysia into one of the most sought-after foreigners, investors and students in terms of their education sector. Most of international students are confident to study in Malaysia when it is discovered that Malaysia have too many academia in the country. In 2006, there were more than 20,000 lecturers in public higher education institutions. 5,000 of them have PhD qualifications. Conclusion.